Yeah. No. T.Y. Yeah. New car pulling on the ass. When it's 10 and you ain't seeing through the black. I just bought my girlfriend a rap. My drip too severe, she gon' drown in. Spin it, then I make it. Can't spin around that whole spot, then ran to the front and the back off. Then flee the scene like we weren't even at home. Before they on me, I'm stuck my way. I was in the back way back in them days when I wasn't paid. A nigga almost didn't graduate. I really had to find another way. Now I'm getting money on the way. Smash, no pass, shit too bad. They mad, POS, don't make me grab the tag. Count no rides, I'm like bad. Rockin' some raps, Americans, foreign swag. Fuck nigga try to play me, but that shit don't make no sense, no. I know I start playing this fuck nigga off the bench. Brain even up the heat, he was scared of shit, he was about to strip. He was running across, so we let him be, but I bet he won't do that shit again. So what they think they telling me is I ain't gon' make more than 20 M. I'ma make 20 of them. 2020 with 20 more coming and talking about million. At that 60 and add another 40 piece, I'll have me 100 million. Another 100 after that, 100 million, it's a motherfucking billion. New car pulling on the ass. When it's 10 and you ain't seeing through the black. I just bought my girlfriend a rap. My drip too severe, she gon' drown in. Spin it, then I make it back. Spin around that whole spot, damn drip tank. Ran through the front and the back hall. Then clear the scene like we weren't even there. Stay back, nigga, lay down. Get up my dick, stay out, set fire, nigga, don't lay out. Break her back low. I'm a rock star. I move my car. Into this brand, let me shoot at him. Up on the scene, kill a nigga. I got time for these niggas. I got time for the niggas. I fucked that bitch from the back. These niggas sippin' fake actors. They do not know how to act. Get off my dick, bitch, get back. Car pulling on the ass. When it's 10 and you ain't seeing through the black. I just bought my girlfriend a rap. My drip too severe, she gon' drown in. Spin it, then I make it back. Spin around that whole spot, damn drip tank. Ran through the front and the back hall. Then clear the scene like we weren't